Chapter 3. Plants that Healed. Birth of Herbal Medicine. Long before labs, long before white coats and shiny pills, healing started with walking. Walking through forests, through fields, through wild, messy nature. Someone, somewhere, touched a leaf and wondered, what if this helps? And that curiosity changed everything. This is where herbal medicine begins. Not in books, not in schools, but in hands that picked, noses that smelled, tongues that tasted, and minds that remembered. Early humans lived close to the land. Food came from plants. Shelter came from plants. Fire, tools, clothes. So when pain came, or fever, or wounds, it made sense to look at plants too. At first, it was trial and error. Some plants healed, some plants did not. Those lessons were learned the hard way, very hard. But slowly patterns appeared. Certain leaves soothed burns. Certain roots eased stomach pain. Certain barks reduced fever. Nature started speaking. Humans started listening. This was early pharmacology. No chemistry formulas, no labels, just observation. If chewing a bark eased pain, that bark mattered. If a paste stopped infection, that plant was remembered. And memory was everything. Knowledge didn't live on paper. It lived in people, passed from elders to children, from healers to apprentices, from grandmother to granddaughter while cooking. Stories carried medicine. Use this leaf for wounds. Boil that root when fever comes. Never touch this one unless you want trouble. Oral tradition was the library. Songs, chants, and simple rules helped people remember, because forgetting could mean sickness, or worse. One of the most famous early discoveries was willow bark. People noticed something strange. When they chewed willow bark, pain softened, fever lowered, headaches calmed down. No one knew why. They didn't know about salicin. They didn't know about aspirin. They just knew it worked. Thousands of years later, modern medicine caught up and said, "Oh, so that's why." Nature smiled quietly. Then there was aloe. Break the leaf. Inside, cool gel. Perfect for burns, cuts, sun damage, skin problems. Ancient healers didn't call it anti-inflammatory. They called it soothing. And honestly, that was enough. Turmeric came next. Bright yellow. Stains everything. Still stains everything. Used for wounds, swelling, infections, mixed into pastes, added to food, applied on skin. People noticed wounds healed better. Swelling went down. Pain didn't last as long. Modern science now talks about curcumin. Ancient people just said, "This golden thing works." Ginger was another favorite. Good for digestion,